Cadillac alarms frequently activate due to faulty hood or liftgate switches or battery issues. First, inspect the hood and liftgate switches for dirt or corrosion, as these can cause false signals. Clean the contacts with electrical cleaner and ensure the switches are properly aligned. Next, check your battery voltage. It should be at least 12.6 volts. Low voltage can trigger the alarm. If your battery is weak, consider charging or replacing it. These simple checks can resolve many common alarm problems. If cleaning the hood and liftgate switches and checking the battery doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to adjust the alarm sensitivity. Access these settings through your Cadillac's infotainment system. You can also adjust sensitivity through the OnStar app. Reduce the sensitivity level if the alarm frequently activates in windy conditions or due to vehicle vibrations. Be aware of software trends. Alarm apps that aren't kept up to date can cause glitches with the system, resulting in false alarms. Looking ahead, Cadillac is integrating AI into alarm systems to reduce false triggers and provide autonomous diagnostics through over-the-air updates. However, always perform the proper checks and keep up to date with the newest trends and information.